Hey everyone, this is MD Reviews, and today I wanted to go into the different things that are used to assist with infant having gas or like fussiness. Some people use it for colic. So there's 3 different things that you may get recommended. So there's gripe water, which is a herbal supplement. It's not really like something, that is evaluated by the FDA, but it is a herbal supplement that you can use. There's gas relief drops, and then there's also Good Start Soothe probiotic. You may hear these 3 things a lot, and the probiotic is a dietary supplement, but they each serve their purpose. So let's get into gripe water. So the gripe water has been said to be effective for when the baby's having like fussiness, hiccups, colic, and gas. This is best anytime. Sometimes after feeding, the baby may still have like some irritation and things like that. You shake it really well. You can give it up to 6 times in a 24-hour period. You can wait 30 minutes if you do have to repeat the dose. So in the gripe water, the ingredients include purified water, organic agave syrup, glycerin, corn syrup, maltodextrin, leaf extract, ginger flavor, chamomile, flower head extract, citric acid, potassium benzoate, and gum. It also has like fennel seed extracts, 5 milligrams. So there's all different types of gripe waters out there. Some people would prefer not to use this brand if they have like anything towards like corn syrup. They're not comfortable using that. They use other brands, but gripe water, it may or may not help your child. So that's something that sometimes you may think it may help, doesn't always help, but this is one of the options out there to give it a try. Gripe water does, I've used it on my infant and it does help. Certain times the dose may have to be repeated, but it does provide some sort of relief. But I found gas drops, which is the next thing, gas relief drops, which is simethicone / anti-gas. This works in minutes. So they said for best effectiveness, this is used for discomfort caused by like excessive swallowing or like certain formulas or food. Sometimes even with breastfeeding, formula feeding, your baby can end up with gas. So the gas relief drops help to relieve the gas. They're said to be most effective if given prior to feeding because this is supposed to help prohibit gas bubbles from forming as a child's feeding. So this is for after feeding and things like that. Before or after, gripe water is good, but gas relief drops, if possible, you can add drops to their formula. You can give it to them prior to feedings, and I can show you what you can use to give the gas drops to your child after that. But these probiotics, completely different from the other 2. I found these to be very, very useful. So probiotics are basically used to help your infant develop, especially if you're formula feeding. The probiotic drops help your child develop the digestive system. No matter what, their digestive system is going to develop on its own, but to help promote the digestive system, to help jumpstart everything and keep it going at a steady rate. I found this to be effective because my son was having so many issues digesting the formula, and he was, like screaming when trying to pass like bowel movements, and we thought he just, had fussiness or like colic or things like that, but it turns out that he was having issues working his digestive system. Some children get it right away. Some children, it takes them a little time. Some of them, it takes them a longer time. So they say, like 4 months, it clears up, and some people don't have that option. So if not, the Good Start Soothe drops, the probiotic drops, you can start them as early as 0 months, 0 weeks. You can add them, but they're good to